Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Adil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around an absolutely awesome little car. It's a VW UP GTI. Spectacular car, now equipped with an absolutely stunning sound system. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So in today's video, it's all about the superb UP GTI. This customer came into us, booked an audio consultation via our website, which is the best thing to do because every single one of our systems is completely tailor-made. We actually sit down and the system is actually go through in terms of audio consultation, takes around about sort of 20 minutes up to around about 40 minutes, depending on how much of a depth you want to go into the system. Basically, this customer came by, we got along, we chatted and we went through the full system exactly to get exactly what the customer wanted. Customer was after a complete stock look system but with absolutely epic sound, and that's exactly what we've done. We've also come into the exact budget that this customer wanted. What we've gone for is the Audison VOCE front end. So we've got the Audison VOCE AV 1.1 in the front and then the AV 6.5s in the door. An immense amount of soundproofing has gone into the car as well, which we'll go through as well in a short bit. But that's basically the front end. Then in the rear doors, we've got the Audison Prima APK 165. So they are the coaxial rear speakers, which is the Prima range. Basically, they're just providing that rear feel, giving a really, really nice, clear sound. Then in the boot, this customer was after something really special. However, we've gone to different levels on this one. So on the UP GTI, if you own one of these, we've got two levels that the boot can sit at. One is the top level, which doesn't give you much boot room. Then we've got one lower level. There is space for a spare wheel underneath. So what we've done is added in an active Audison Prima 10-inch sub. That's down in the center bit right at the bottom, and then we've got the Audison Prima 8.9 alongside that. Flush that in so it all looks completely custom and it's all installed to the highest possible standard. All the cable runs run alongside manufacturer wiring as well. That's completely flushed off and it looks really, really cool. It's really OEM, it sort of looks like factory would. However, they don't know that sort of level of equipment. However, it sounds absolutely awesome. Actually getting in this car, and everyone here has had a listen to this car, it sounds insane for what it is. Basically, we've got a fully active front end. Basically, we've got 8 channels of amplification running what's called fully active. So each channel is running directly to a component. We're running fresh speed cable directly to each component. So we've got basically the VOCE up front and then Prima rear, and then we've got the Prima 10-inch active sub, and then that goes into the 8.9. So other thing that we've actually added into this car within the 8.9 is what's called DSP tuning. What it allows us to do, sit down, tune the car, customize it to our customers' songs. We take around about 5 songs from the customer and then tune the car to that. We're actually doing a very similar system on the VW T-Roc R that's just come in, and it's a very similar system. So make sure you stay tuned on our YouTube channel for that by hitting the subscribe button. So that's basically the speaker configuration. They've gone in with custom speaker rings, and then the soundproofing. Soundproofing makes an immense amount of difference. Basically what it is acoustic soundproofing. We use a Skins 3mm layer. Basically it gets treated in any area that we've been, so in the boot and in the front and rear doors. As you can see here, it's really solid in comparison to a non-soundproofed area. And then back onto this, which is soundproofed. It's really, really solid. Basically, it's doing 3 key things. Reducing your rattles and resonations that you're getting from factory door cards, which in these you do get a lot of. That's all being corrected. The other thing is it reduces a little bit of that road noise that you're getting. Plus, it builds a far better acoustic environment for your new sound system to work in. Plus, this whole system can be fully reversed. Nothing is drilled, nothing, holes are made extra from stock. What we've done is done it in a reversible way, and most of our systems are like that. So all of this kit can be come out of this car, move into another car, and then go back to stock, and the car can be sold on, and then you retain all that kit and move it to the next car. And that's where the investment in the actual kit is. However, we go through all of this during the audio consultation. So head over to our website, book that form now. All we ask is for your name, vehicle details, and when you're going to come by and see us. We'll sit down with you, spend a bit of time speccing your system. We're not just going to give you blasé quotes over the phone. We want to sit down, tailor make something so it's perfect for what you're after. And the customer is then always happy, like this one will be. As soon as he collects it, he's going to have a massive smile on his face. Obviously, a little pocket rocket that the car is. They're so much fun to drive. However, now with the new Epic sound system, it's going to be absolutely unbelievable. So thank you very much, guys, for watching our short video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, and also you hit the subscribe button below. Help us grow our YouTube channel, and thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.